In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean opt-in landing page with a sign-up form and deliver a downloadable freebie automatically after submission. We'll be building a simple capture page layout that looks clean, functions smoothly, and gives visitors immediate access to your promotional file once they complete the form. This is a great setup if you're offering something like a guide, checklist, or PDF download in exchange for a sign-up. To begin, go to the Create area and open the landing page section. From there, work through the available templates and layout options until you create a clean opt-in landing page layout. The goal here is to start with a structure that feels focused and uncluttered so the visitor's attention stays on the offer and the form. A simple layout usually performs best because it reduces distractions and makes the next action obvious. Once your landing page layout is ready, drag an automated sign-up form element directly into the main canvas area. Place it in the primary section of the page where it's easy to see and easy to interact with. This form is the key conversion element, so make sure it sits naturally within the design. As you position it, think about readability, spacing, and how quickly a visitor can understand what they need to do. After that, open your landing page form layout control settings. Inside the form settings panel, look for the success message action configuration. This controls what happens immediately after someone submits the form. Instead of leaving visitors with a generic confirmation only, you can turn that success moment into an instant delivery experience. Within the success message settings, choose the option labeled Link to File. This tells the form to direct the user to a downloadable asset after their submission is processed. It's a simple but effective way to create a smooth user experience because people receive what they signed up for right away without needing extra steps. Next, upload your promotional freebie file into your Content Studio. This could be a PDF guide or another downloadable resource connected to your offer. Once the file is uploaded, link it through the success message configuration so it becomes available immediately after form submission. That way, when a user completes the sign-up process, they can instantly access the asset. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to test the full flow yourself. Submit the form, confirm that the success message appears correctly, and make sure